Today, I want to share with you a pretty incredible customer service experience I had with the health ring company Oura. Now, I'm going to go over my experience that I had with Oura's customer service, and then I'm going to dive into why I think Oura did what they did for my particular case. This is my Oura ring. I purchased this used in May of 2023. I also purchased this used off of eBay as I was trying to save a little bit of money off the retail cost of a new ring. Ever since that purchase, I have been a very satisfied Oura ring customer, even going so far as to pay the $5.99 a month for their premium membership that unlocks all the features of the device. I typically use my Oura ring to track my sleep and to track workouts and my overall mental well-being. Normally, in the mornings, I take the ring off, I put it on the charger while I'm getting ready for work, taking a shower, and that sort of thing. And that charge process will typically last a good full week in between needing more than just a 15 or 20-minute charge. Fully charging the ring, I've been able to do things like take a trip to Mexico and not use the charger while on the trip one single time. All that was going fine up until last week. Last week, while playing disc golf with my friends, I got a notification from the Oura ring saying, "Hey, please charge me before you go to bed tonight." Now, normally I get that notification when the ring is down to like 25% charge, but I didn't think anything of it because there was nothing I could do. We were on the middle of a disc golf course, so I just forgot about it. Fast forward to the end of our round of disc golf, and I just kind of wanted to see how far we had walked during the game, and found out that my Oura ring was completely dead. Doing some research online, I found out that the Oura Ring Gen 3 Heritage did have some charging issues, and in certain cases, customer service was able to replace the ring even outside of warranty. Now, in my case, I didn't really think customer service would do anything because, as mentioned before, I purchased this on eBay, so I bought it used from someone who originally purchased it. I decided to ask anyway because, one, I was curious, and two, I wanted to know what exactly happens to all these rings when they die. Because if you sell a bunch of these, you're going to have a bunch of e-waste eventually. My first attempt at contacting customer care was from the Oura app itself. Clicking on the help link in the Oura app will take you to Oura's AI chatbot named Finn. Finn was very friendly and went through the process of pulling diagnostics off of the ring and found out that there was actually an issue with the charging on the ring. The part of the process that faltered was when Finn asked for proof of purchase. Now, I had a screenshot of the proof of purchase, and they accepted the format in which the screenshot was taken. However, when I uploaded it to Finn, Finn would then take me back and start the chat all over. Well, after 2 or 3 attempts at this, I decided just to go onto my computer and try the process all over again. I decided to go through email this time, and while email initially did take me to Finn, a customer service representative got on really quickly, and I discussed my particular issues. I stated up front, I do not believe there is anything you guys can do for me, but I wanted to check first. 1, here's what's going on with the ring. 2, I purchased this used from eBay in 2023, and I know that that's outside of the warranty. But 3, what do you do with the rings that are in this particular shape? They're dead. What do you do with them? Oura quickly replied back saying that we understand how important it is to have a reliable Oura ring Gen 3, and we are happy to send you a replacement at no cost. Now, in the email, they say ring only, and that I would receive a shipping notification in less than 24 hours. They also said that the ring that I would be receiving is refurbished and could possibly be a different model. They told me, as far as the current ring that I own, that I should just dispose of it according to e-waste guidelines in my local area, or I could keep it for whatever reason. Of course, I was completely ecstatic about all of this. Here I am thinking that I was going to be out another $300 to buy a new Oura ring, and the company completely agreed to replace it as defective one time for free. So I agreed, and in less than 24 hours, I had shipping confirmation of my replacement Oura ring. Fast forward to yesterday, which was 7 full days after I messaged Oura initially, and here is my Gen 3 Oura ring replacement. Now, as the email said, it was a refurbished device, but here's me unboxing it so you can see what this refurbished device actually looks like. So now, here I sit, a satisfied Oura customer who is going to keep the $5.99 subscription and continue using their new to them replaced Oura Ring Gen 3. And that got me to thinking, why would they do something like this? The ring was purchased from a third party, it's out of warranty. Why would they replace it for free when I could just easily go to Best Buy or go online and buy another ring? Well, I think it all has to do with the subscription tier. Oura has a subscription service for $5.99. Now, it is my belief that because I pay for the subscription, Oura as a company has a thought process of, well, if we're getting the subscription from the customer, then it would only make sense for us to send another ring. I have no idea what it costs to make an Oura ring. I only know what they sell them for. And the Oura Ring Gen 3 brand new still cost about $200. However, at $6 a month, the math kind of adds up that they would want to keep that subscription. While I realize that not every company can do that, I mean, I know that Google wouldn't be able to send you a brand new Pixel Fold 2 years after you purchased it because the Wi-Fi antenna went out. But for a device like this with a subscription service, it kind of makes sense to me. I really appreciated what Oura did, and like I said before, I'm going to continue being a happy Oura customer. Now, this video was not sponsored by Oura. The only thing that Oura has done for me is give me a replacement device, which I just talked about. In the past, I've asked Oura for referral links or any kind of coupon codes for you guys. And from what they told me, they don't do that sort of thing. But there is a referral link inside of the app, which I will provide down in the description below if you would like a discount on the Gen 4 Oura Ring. It's not an affiliate link, it's just the same coupon code you would be able to offer your friends if you purchased an Oura Ring. So I just wanted to share my customer experience dealing with a dead Oura Ring. If you have any questions about the video today, please leave them in the comments down below. I do try to answer all of your questions and comments. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.